This journey started here, in my home. From here I left to reach the bread-making program of Save the Children, supported by Bvlgari in Bolivia. This summer I was with my team in the bread laboratory when I received the sacks with the indications of the flour used by the students in Bolivia. We studied them, and we tried to think about what useful advice I could take with me to help them. I spent a few hours with girls and boys from the Save the Children school. I immediately realized how the complicated simplicity of making bread is helping to change their lives and helping them to grow. I saw them add a fundamental ingredient in everything: their smiles, their tenacity, their desire to make it. Despite a difficult past, they are projected optimistically towards the future, with the audacity of those who will stop at nothing. We have different and seemingly distant stories, but the bread and the art of knowing how to make it links us. The Save the Children and Bvlgari program shows an incredible commitment. Their talents meeting an opportunity. I don't know if I have really taught them anything. Certainly they have taught and given a lot to me. Now, I look through this ring and I see them, their dreams coming true.